Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an invoice billable time and expenses in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main homepage. Starting from the homepage helps ensure you can easily access the invoicing tools from the main navigation. Once you are in QuickBooks, move your mouse to the Create button at the top left of the screen. This is where QuickBooks groups together common actions, including creating sales forms like invoices. Hovering here will display the available options so you can quickly choose the type of transaction you want to enter. From that menu, click Invoice. This opens a new invoice form where you can enter the customer and the details you want to bill. The invoice screen is where you'll pull together the information needed to charge for time, expenses, or products and services. Next, select a sample customer. In your own QuickBooks account, this would be the customer you want to bill. Choosing the customer first is important because QuickBooks uses that selection to connect the invoice to the correct client record and, in many cases, to related billable activity. After that, enter a sample product or service in the product or service field. This line item tells QuickBooks what you are billing for. Be sure to choose the item that best matches the work completed or the expense being charged, so the invoice is clear and easy for the customer to understand. In this example, use an existing product or service rather than creating a new one. This can save time and also helps keep your records consistent, especially if you regularly invoice for the same types of work or reimbursable charges. Reusing an existing item can also reduce duplicate entries in your products and services list. Once the invoice details are complete, go to the Save button and click the drop-down arrow next to it. This gives you additional save options depending on what you want to do next. Then select Save and Close. This saves the invoice and exits the form, returning you to the previous screen. It's a good option when you've finished entering the invoice and don't need to make any more edits right away. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly review the invoice details for accuracy, especially the customer name and the product or service entered. A quick check can help prevent billing mistakes and save time later. That's it. You've successfully created an invoice in QuickBooks Online and saved it for your records.